another video. Today I am going to be exploding things. Just looking around and, well, I covered this place with TNT. Yeah. And I'm going to explode it. Let's go. I'm going to explode it from the top. So maybe these two right here. And let's see what's going on. This is exploding everywhere. I think, yep, that's what I did. All right, it created a monstrosity, and that is just, oh, great. I'm going to go explode something else now. Okay, so I covered TNT all over this garbage truck boat thing. What's a boat carrying a bunch of garbage? You can't really see it, and you kind of can over the TNT. But let's just get right into this and let's explode it. Okay, that should light the TNT soon enough. TNT, 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 Goodness, it's exploding everywhere. Well, that's happened. Well, that's what kind of happened. It kind of just exploded that. Well, let's go explode the big building. It's not that big, but wait. We must. No, yeah. Gravity's the thing. Okay, we're just gonna put this here and it explode. No, we gotta. Okay. Slide it. There we go. It exploded. All right, now I'm gonna go explode another thing. I just filled this whole entire house with TNT. It took me a while. I filled the whole entire thing up pretty well. Didn't miss a room. Oops. And oh, there we go. Let's see how much it spreads everywhere. This is madness. It's going everywhere. It's legit going everywhere. That's my sister in the background, if you can hear, by the way. This is madness. I can't even see anything with all the particles. Okay. All okay. Look around. All the houses just got ruined, and, well, that's it.